Okay, we're going to look at the full FPV setup today for the Mariner. Probably the hardest part of getting this whole setup done is actually getting this carbon fiber mount on for the LCD screen. If you take a look, there's a screw here that basically holds it. These will let it move. I probably need to tighten them a little bit more. And then these brackets that hold it on the radio. Okay, we're going to look at the FPV package here. I've got a few components: the gimbal, the GoPro, which I've mounted. This is GoPro 3, which I've mounted upside down because of the connector here for the video output. Then we have a battery that runs all this, as well as this is the FM, or not FM, but the video transmitter. And what I've done is I put Velcro on both of these to help keep them from sliding sideways once they're mounted. So we'll mount the battery. Goes here. Use the first Velcro strap there. And we've got the video transmitter that mounts to the back of the plate. And we'll use this Velcro here to make sure it doesn't come off. It'll hook there, and then you can kind of hook it onto the battery as well. So that gets them both pretty well secure. And now we'll go ahead and get them hooked up. Basically, you got a power for each of these that goes into the battery, one that goes into the gimbal, one that goes into the transmitter. Then you've got the USB cable that will go into the video transmitter here. Go ahead and hook that up. Actually, I need another hand, but I'll have to set it back down. And then we have, that's basically it. Then you've got to take the gimbal controller over, which will hook into the top. You'll also see that I've tried to move the landing gear back as much as possible just to keep it out of the line of sight. So we'll go ahead and start trying to get everything hooked up. And the FM transmitter. So this is going to go to the video out on the GoPro. Or video in, I guess I should say. We're going to do a power here. Then we're going to go ahead and hook up the control for the gimbal. We'll go ahead and plug in the LCD lights, which is something I didn't do before, which is pretty cool. Making sure ground to ground. See the lights come on. We'll go ahead and turn on the, go ahead and get this turned on. Let's go ahead and get this powered up so it's ready. Push it and hold it, and it comes on. And we will go ahead and give the GoPro, not the GoPro, go ahead and give the Mariner the main battery up. Maybe. We've got that. Okay, so one thing I just learned is you basically, it appears you need to turn have it right side up when you plug the gimbal in so it doesn't screw up the gyro in the gimbal. So that's on. Let's go ahead and turn, this is on. Let's go ahead and turn the GoPro on. video mode, and you can see it pop up here on the screen with the video, and we can turn it around and you can see basically Lake Norman on the screen here. So it's basically ready to go. We've got green lights flashing.